What people often ask me is once they get into debt with their business, what's the best way? Is there techniques or suggestions that you can make? How do people get out of business debt?
This video is brought to you by EpiPies Academy.
That's a great question. It has a lot to do with how they got into business debt to begin with. So there's the kind of business debt that you get into because you started up your business and you needed money to do that. That's a little bit of a different animal than business debt that you get into to continue operating your business. Because if you're incurring debt as you're operating your business, that means your business is not functional yet. So it also means that you didn't know how much you needed to start your business when you started it, and so you're continuing to incur debt. So you kind of have to attack them a little bit differently because it has to do with really fundamentally whether your business is viable or not. Once I start talking to people and they have a lot of business debt, and if they're continuing to incur that business debt, we really have to look at, is this something we're gonna fish with, or are we gonna cut bait on this? Are we gonna sink or swim with this business? Because once you start getting a lot of debt, you know how debt works in that big snowball way that it's just more and more and more and more. So the real question is, do you have a viable business underneath all of this and you just need some strategies for getting out of debt? Or do you basically need to stop getting into so much debt and maybe move your energy in a different direction in your business?